Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating your own icons in PowerPoint. To begin, open your PowerPoint application on your computer. Having PowerPoint up and running is essential because it is the primary tool we will use to design and customize your icon. Once the program is ready, locate and open the particular PowerPoint presentation you want to work on. This presentation will serve as the workspace where all the subsequent editing and designing will take place. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top navigation area and click on the Insert tab. This tab is a gateway to various elements you can incorporate into your slides, making it an indispensable part of the creative process. After entering the Insert section, look for the Shapes command. The Shapes function will allow you to add fundamental geometric figures, which are basic to the design process. Next, select and add a diamond shape into your slide. The diamond shape will serve as the background or container for your icon, giving it a distinctive appearance. Once the shape is in place, take a moment to resize it to your preference. Adjusting the shape size is crucial because it sets the stage for how prominently the icon will appear within the design. After you have perfected the diamond's dimensions, return to the Insert tab for the next phase of the process. In this step, locate the Icons button and click on it. The Icons feature in PowerPoint opens a gallery filled with a wide range of icons. You have the freedom to browse through these options to find one that aligns with the vision you have for your design. If the gallery seems extensive, do not worry, you also have the option to use the search function. By typing in the desired keywords, you can quickly locate the specific icon that perfectly matches the style or concept you are aiming for. Once you have found a suitable icon within the gallery or via the search tool, simply click on the Insert command to add it to your slide. The icon will appear on the canvas, ready to be refined and adjusted. Now it is time to integrate the icon with the diamond shape you previously created. Carefully drag and place the newly inserted icon so that it sits neatly within the boundaries of the diamond shape. As a final measuring touch, resize the icon if necessary to ensure that it fits comfortably and harmoniously inside the diamond. Balancing the icon size relative to the diamond enhances the overall look of your design and ensures a professional, cohesive appearance. This tutorial provided clear and sequential guidance so that even users with minimal design experience can create visually appealing icons on PowerPoint. Each step is designed with precision to help you build a strong understanding of how to manipulate shapes and icons within the program. When followed carefully, your final design will not only be unique, but also a testament to the creative capabilities of PowerPoint. Enjoy this process of designing your own custom icons, and let the simplicity of these steps open up a broader world of creative possibilities in your future projects.